just slay. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. This your girl, All Things Essential. If you are new to my channel, go watch some of my videos, see if you like me. If you like me, subscribe, comment, and like my videos. Join the tribe. Join the tribe. Right now, I'm at 182 subscribers. I am praying at the end of July, I'm at 200 subscribers. I know my tribe is so small, but we are going to grow. We're going to grow together. So speaking of growing, today I am going to be doing my first look that I posted on YouTube. My first look. And looking back at it, I'm just like, wow, that looked a fucking mess. A mess. And I needed to do that, and I needed to see that to do what I'm gonna do today. I needed to see all of that. And most people would say, it looked good to me, but I knew it was not my best work. My lashes is all bent up. I'm gonna post a picture right here. Yes, go ahead, get your laughs out. Go ahead and clown me, but make sure you go watch that video. I don't care. So I posted it for growth purposes. And if you know my 3 rules before you come into my channel is learn with me, grow with me, and do not judge me. So today I am about to get into this beat, and it is the makeup that I posted my first post on YouTube. That's what I'm doing today, to show you guys that I am growing and I am learning. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna be looking down because I have a mirror right here. So, and I want to stay in the frame, and I want you guys to see what I'm doing. This scarf is so tight right now because I just laid this wig. This wig is holding on for dear life. And also, if you want to know where I got this wig from, I will put the link up here. Got it from Amazon. I have a review on it, so check it out. First thing I'm gonna do is take my NYX eyebrow shaper.
I don't know why I always say NYX is next.
But like I said, I'm not gonna go into details. This is gonna be a quick boom, boom, bam, and I'm only doing one eyebrow. But to see my full eyebrow tutorial, make sure you click the link up there so you can see it. The only difference is on that tutorial, I did use pencil, and on this tutorial, I'm using the crayon case eyebrow pomade. So I'm gonna take a little bit. You do not need a lot of this, so guys, please don't use a lot of this. I am laying tape under, in the crease of my eyes because I want this to be sharp. I look cute. That's crazy. That looks crazy. Okay, it looks like it's the same. We want to get the eyes to match, okay? And last time I used the Matted Book palette and the Watch Me Blush palette by the Crayon Case. If I'm not, I think that's what I use. Let me make sure. Hold that thought. Okay, I didn't use the Matted Book palette, but I have the same colors in here, so we're creating the same look though, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys the look again. Or maybe I should put it, I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna prime my eye, Crayon Case, eye glue. I only use a little bit because I'm gonna use some concealer to prime too. So, and yes, I use my fingers because this is my favorite tool. You cannot buy this brush in the store. It comes with your body. It comes with your body. Body. I don't know what that was. But yes, gonna pat that into my skin, okay? I hope this don't fall. I hope I don't fumble this look, because I done grown since my first YouTube video. I ain't the best, but I'm trying to, you know, still learn a little bit when it comes to eyeshadow. I mean, I look on Instagram and I'm just like, wow, there's so much talented people in the fucking world. Like, it's like, bruh, you so talented. Okay, so the first thing I did with this look, I did black. So I have black in this. I'm trying to find me a brush to use, y'all. I think I'm gonna use this brush. It came in my little, you know, the little things you get every month. That's what it is. Oh, so I do need another palette because I don't have a black. Be right back. Okay, guys, I actually started, but I didn't like it, so I had to start over because we're showing growth. I didn't like it, no. So here we go. I had to go get the Juvia's palette. I think this is the Warrior. Which one is this? Don't know. Warrior 2. And I'm gonna use this black. That is not what my crease is. My crease is. We're gonna start over. All right, guys. I keep starting over because I'm not liking what I'm doing, and I'm just like, you at a different level now, bitch, and you need to get it together. So I'm starting over. I'm prepping my eye. Normally, I will put a light concealer so this color can show up some more, but I'm not gonna put a light concealer because this is gonna be my transition color. It's like a piece of hair that's like annoying the hell out of me. Okay? Let's use this brush. Boom. Let's cut a crease because I did not like the last creases. I did this over 2 times. I'm gonna have to do this over. I did this over 2 times, guys. I don't think you understand where I'm coming from. I just want to put a little bit of that there. So now it's time for the glitter.
Pat your weave, lady. Pat, pat.
Put some respect on my name. Joke's on you. Joke's on you. Okay, this is getting long, so I'm gonna have to do the other one off camera. Bitch, stop playing with me in the comments. Ooh, bitch. It's lifting on the side, but bitch, I'll fix that later. Bitch. Okay. Setting spray, check. Whoa.
Boy, if you don't get your motherfucking
I play too much. Okay, guys, this is the final beat. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys see the growth in my eyeshadow and my channel. I will show you guys more as I learn. I'm going to go back and repeat all of my looks, and this one turned out to be a hit. I am loving it. Okay guys, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's not too long, and if you watch the whole video and you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe, comment, and like. I would greatly appreciate it. And I'm out. Bye.